I'm so bored on this stupid planet. Everyone form a team. Deal, why not be in the team with me? Sure! Since we're Legos, why not be in the team? No. Hey! So you want to be in the team? Sure! Look! Can I join this team? Sure! We should be Team Finish. Let's be called Team Squishy Tomatoes. Okay, the challenge is to press the buttons. Last team to press the buttons will be up for elimination. Go! Intro's done. Tap. Beep. Finish is safe. Yeah! Hey you! Wow, that was a bit fast. But anyways, Team Lego is safe. And no, we lost. No! Viewers, vote in the comments with the square racket. You know I'm so bored. I want to get out of here.